Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very quick video for you with papers that I have just added to Katrin's Corner. So let's get started. So I have just added this paper pack to Katrin's Corner. Katrin's Corner is on sale. So you will find sale items in limited quantities. And here what we have is a paper pack 8x8. And I think it's really fun because it kind of still goes into the wintry theme. It's not too colorful. And it starts off with a page of a lot of greetings. And you have, of course, sending you birthday wishes from our home to yours. May all your wishes come through. Someone special, celebrations. So all kinds of different greetings. These are one-sided papers, so you can cut those greetings apart. And then we have this beautiful gray background and then the yellow, and then the light blue and light pink flowers. So last week I showed you my sympathy cards, and I was thinking this probably would also make a good background for the embellishments that I showed you. But then we come into a lighter note and we got these cute owls all over design. Look how cute these are. And I don't know if these are owls. It could be maybe they're just birdies. I don't know. I say everything is an owl, but because I love owls, but I think that could just be a regular bird. And then there is a polka dot design, and we have the feathers, and then we have the 4 embellishments that you can just cut apart and use as card toppers. And I just love these cute little birds. Look at the eyelashes they have and the eyes closed, and then a couple of flowers, and then it starts over. So these are in here twice. So let's see, there must be 12 papers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have 12 papers in this pack. And I made some quick cards. So here we have this cute birdie, and it is square card, and I just did layers. So I have a square card, I layered it with the paper, I then put another layer of white cardstock, then another layer of the polka dot paper, and then the embellishment. Everything is just added with some foam tape. And here, dearest friend, came from this pack. I just made it a little smaller, so I cut around it. I didn't use it as a big cutout like this, but that's easily done. And then I also matted it on white cardstock. So that's my first card, and I think it's so cute, and I made it a top folding card. My second card, I just let the paper speak, and I did this for my Christmas card. So all I did is, this really you can do in, in a few minutes. You just use the paper, and it's so pretty. And then I added a bank here with some wood grain paper and a flower that I punched myself. I have a couple of, these are the 2 flower punches that I have, small ones. And they look really nice when you layer them and you use blingy or glittery paper. Added a little piece of bling. And thank you is a sticker that I have available as sticker sheets in silver and also in gold. And it has thank you and thanks and little butterflies. So that's available as a sticker sheet. And then here is my last card that I made, a happy birthday card. Same thing, I just layered the pieces, added some bling, added a little bow with the string that you know by now. Here is the happy birthday. And I think these are so friendly, but still kind of wintry. So they're not quite spring yet. They're still wintry, and I think they look just, yeah, I love them. So I hope you liked them too. Yeah, and if you did like my cards, please leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. I also have an Instagram account, a Pinterest account. Hop over, check it out. Join us on Facebook at European Paper Crafts Friends, and please share. I would really appreciate it. So thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye.